Rabani ipol sin ko kide na ko kyoga girgori Oscar agecha yesa balebe rochuntos berekes ipolisin pa Michael Kiror kide ipa pa keiche.
The police of Mora Central Police Station is investigating a case of malicious damage and assault of one Reverend Osire Sam that occurred on the 12th of March 2022 at Ajuleki village. The facts are that on Sunday night, a group of boys led by 4 individuals, including one Okelo Sam, Okiloro Dan, Opade Emmanuel, and Oba John, went to the premises where Reverend Osire Sam was staying with the intention of evicting him, alleging that he had switched from the Church of Uganda to Reformed Anglicans, and he was thus to leave the house that belonged to Church of Uganda. Unfortunately, the exercise was illegal. They did follow the due process of the law. They consequently assaulted him, beat him, he sustained injuries. Another person who was with the Reverend also sustained injuries. A female, that is Rose, she was referred to as Rose, or Gwyn Rose, also sustained injuries. As of press time, they are all admitted at the hospital for medical attention.
Ekimat Sam Osire elopetele jepitai angole kuja koukede paga yesa bala ebokunita inyesiko Togo usodeta suroki no sani tomonolu aiwalar aparte na sabiti
osani tomonolu akware akoni ajaitoma suroki
bogindero mutokani
alomondi ya mapena adungun bonbe eja situnga bala sitonbe strategy to move. Odaro ka pocket bonbe nyogore tutasi abongor de bonga ngotogo agendo wada na pande pale
mama nganyo
awasia abake ngaike ko gogwa silipisho mama ngasilipe ne kware aro ka pocket abake bonbe do shabila reke pote kwa gugweke kai gugweke ka diri sana ngaike ka gugweke diri sana awasia ngawe teke Alo mone kena one kekena beda nosdo nuko awasia no mono moja no
lipete sapuka achuti no ino aradisi ikiata kesekesela neja setunga munwe yanga utake no ituponore ne mamene lotono kata nange gumaja na sapata nange gumu ne mamene losi mamene lotoro so abongosidi tumuna karauni kwa netu ngale masate jaya no to muni iko ojasi kede training abebele de tunguroti apoloke sabombi wanyindo kwa najo kumba chino na kokona kipiki todo kwa nani ngombe tungal putu tuono rugo yaso kutu wata tai kese ya utosinyo abibiliona tunguroti
Kanu TV East Tolbert Edaiti Kobuga Soroti.